welcome back to another video. If you are seeing this face for the first time, my name is OSARO. Thank you so much for stopping by. Do consider subscribing to join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I do not take you guys for granted. So guys, it's another birthday. Zoe's birthday is here. So I have some things I already bought. I'll show you guys for the birthday. She'll be doing her birthday in school actually, you know, because it's still school season. So everything will be in school. And we'll just get a little things done at home, you know, just we so that we can, you know, also partake in the fun. So that it not just be only her schools to her schoolmates and all of that. So I got this candy box. This one, I have 3 packs, 3 of it, different flavors. We're going to pack them to make a candy cone bag. And then you guys, my papa is here, so any noise, look at him. Any noise, he's the one. People should manage it. So I have this from Amazon. This will also be in the party pack. This one. There are key rings. Each of our classmates will have one of it. You see, like this, different types, and there are 30 pieces here because they are 30 in their class. And then this one, okay, the bags where we'll put everything inside. We decided to go for something colorful, so we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors here. 7 colors in this bag. And then I bought her this beautiful shoe. She'll be having a photo shoot later today from Next. I really like this shoe. They are white. I'll show you the dress. I got it from Next. Can you see? So nice. I love this silver decoration here on the sole. So cute. And then, okay, this bag is from Zane's birthday, you know, so we're using this for the candy bag. This is remaining. I bought a lot. I think it was 100 pieces because I knew that December is Zane's birthday and January is Zoe's birthday. Sort of like buying. So this is the remaining from Zane's birthday. I'll be using it for Zoe as well. And then this snack right is like potato chips. They're like 6 inside the bag. This bag, so we put them inside the party pack. I bought 5 packs. And 6 times 5, 30. This one, this, and this. And then see, I'm extra. This one, let me show you guys. This one is the badge. She'll use this on her uniform. You see, Zoe 8. Can you see? Can you guys see? I could have as well gotten the regular badge, you know, happy birthday, or it's my birthday today, but because I want it to be personalized for my princess Zoe 8. She'll be 8 years old, by the way. And then this sash as well, it says I am 8 today. We'll just put it on the window behind, outside. I am 8 today. Look at this beautiful dress. Just look at the details. This dress is giving what it's supposed to give. I didn't buy this one though. It was given to her by one of her big mom is in church, and I asked her if she wanted to use it for her birthday. She said yes, so why not? I got a white matching shoe to go with it. It saved me cost. I only bought the shoe. It's so nice. Like, this dress is giving royalty. I know Anita is a princess. So nice, so nice. So now we'll just start packing up the party bags because there's no time again. Tomorrow is the birthday and time has gone, so we just need to start packing the bags. So guys, here also we have to see about this, our personalized badge.
Like, guys, I love that badge because it's like so cute, and it has like a little fox on it, and I love foxes, so yeah,
She didn't see it coming. She didn't see it coming.
I thought it was like an original badge.
Just normal badge, right?
Yeah, like a big,
extra.
like a big original.
Just the
badge.
normal happy birthday.
Yeah,
badge.
like yours, that was big.
You see?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But this, thank you. But this is personalized. It's hers. Now to open shop remain, oh hey. With my assistant. Call us for your birthday packaging. Where you pack your party pack. Very affordable.
No, this.
See? So nice. Thank you.
Oh, that's Mama.
Look at my work now. Look at. See what we came up with. I am my assistant. In fact, celebrant. That to open shop remain. Oh, hey. I'm so excited. Because I didn't know it was going to come out this beautiful. See. Hey. Yes, we've just finished packing the party packs and they are so lovely. I have to show the joy. On to the next one. Photo shoot. Oh, nobody sent me a message. But at least these bags have made me so happy. And I trust that the photo shoot will come out well. I got the balloon yesterday. It's upstairs because I heard you have to keep it warm. So it's upstairs so that it doesn't less the helium balloon rather. So it's upstairs. Let's go and start getting ready for our photo shoot. Oh yeah, look at now. Look at my princess. I'm not the birthday girl, I'm the birthday girl birthday of the birthday. It's not easy to be 8. Medal. To God be the glory. Yes. Today is the birthday of the birthday girl. How do you feel?
Excited. Happy. And ready.
Ready for?
To be a big sister for them.
Well,
I love them so much. So
Okay.
He's cute.
Birthday girl. It's not easy to be 8 years old. Zoe's birthday continues. Cheesy food.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Say birthday.
Birthday.
Make a wish. What she say?
Does it contain lice?
No, it doesn't.
Before lice, we sneak and enter my.
It's new, Mama. It doesn't have lice.
It's like on your
Okay.
sound okay. So how's that feel for you? Does that feel too big or too small or? So just make sure.
When your dream is about to come true.
Complete.
Do you like it?
Yes.
So
Okay.
there's a cog on the
All
back
of us
there,
will get
okay?
to each other.
So I've only tightened it just slightly, but that's how it needs to be anyway. Because you don't want to tighten it too tight because
Yeah.
it just needs to take the helmet off.
Agbarada. Hey.
Apollo Sills. Okay.
Apollo like the space shuttle.
Apollo,
A space to the right go.
oh, she's so cute with her pink. She looks so cute.
Felicia, do we want me gel pens?
I'm doing what the blend it is.
So I can draw
My
on
lady
your
was wearing the
sweater.
ball.
So Felicia, I'll be drawing on your sweater.
Don't you know? Your auntie
Yes,
said-
to make it more fashion. I can't.
Tell us what is there, lah.
This one, the shortest, yeah, it's not this one.
I had in Malaysia a pink one.
It's already written in the notes, so she already knows that. That's what she said.
Mama, how do you feel?
I feel great, and it gives me so much memories of having that small camera in Malaysia.
So now you now have a bigger one.
Yeah.
Yeah, do.
Wait.
You can print out the pictures too.
Yes, I've been wanting this.
When Apollo gets older.
Yeah.
What's always tennis idol? Coco, Osaka, but
I've stopped seeing Osaka, so yes, like I've seen him before. I think because there was like a story of him, of her. I mean, of Naomi.
oh, let me see. Wow. Project Osaka loading. Oh, that's so. Is it two? Is it one? How many? Is it?
It's one. It's just the bag.
Sometimes it's one.
Bring it on now, bring it on.
Okay, okay. Her personal racket. Oh, good. Pink to match your pink helmet and your camera. Pink face cap. O'Shea. Let me see her face. Wow, it has a bag. Oh, it's so cute.
What does it say?
Oh, I like it. Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
So what do you have to say about your new rackets?
It's beautiful.
That's all.
That's all.
What do you want to achieve with it? What do you want to do with it?
I want to play tennis.
And become a champion that you are.
Oh, I like it too.
Let's go. Oh yeah, come and swing. Your head is there.
Wait, how to?